it's your girl Bree and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, welcome. If you're a return subscriber, hey friends. So today is February 15th and Julian's birthday is tomorrow, my son. So today is President's Day and they're out of school, so we're doing a little birthday celebration today. This year I decided to keep it really simple, so we're just having cake and some desserts and things, and his cousins are gonna come over and we're gonna sing happy birthday to him, and that's gonna be that. So I did decorate off camera. I'm gonna show you guys everything that I did, but if you know that the decorating was all over the place, and getting it to where it is right now took some work, and I should have recorded it, but I didn't. I planned on recording it, but I didn't. But that's okay. That's okay. So right now, since Julian is the only child and he had the opportunity to go to his nana house where his cousins live and ditch me, so he went over there yesterday because we went to Orlando, and when I went to pick him up, he didn't want to come home. So me and Bae had the house to ourselves yesterday night, which is hardly ever happens, but that's okay. And so today I'm just going to take you along. I'll try not to make it too long. Well, it won't be too long. I just went to the store. I'll show you guys his gifts. I'll show you the decorations, and I'll show you a little clip of his party later. Just be. Don't take it. Take it. Just don't be. And live. Sorry guys, now it's time to go pick up the cake and cupcakes. I got a small circle cake this time, and I'm going to put the cupcakes around it. But I'm getting the cupcakes and cake from Publix, which is a local, well, not local, it's a regional grocery store. It's in the southeast, and they have the best like bakery and deli. So we're gonna do that. I gotta get a couple things in addition to that from Publix. I already got cake toppers, I already got cake toppers, a candle and everything. And my mom needs me to pick up a few things for her as well. So I'm gonna get that. So yeah, so let's go ahead and go inside Publix. Don't take it personal, I ain't lying, I ain't hiding, I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in, yeah. You got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live. Alright guys, so I'm leaving Publix. So I got everything I need. I got the cake, I got cupcakes, and some of the stuff that my mom asked for. So now I'm gonna go back to the house. It's time to I guess just like finalize everything. Everything's pretty much good. Oh, I forgot to do something. Look at my hair. It's okay. But yeah guys, I'll see you back at the house while I finish the last minute things that I was supposed to do earlier that I didn't do. Let's go. Take it personal, we just building. It's my season, lay foundation, make a name for generations. Please and make a, then take a break or a little.
Junior, it's falling off your head. So how can I do it? It is. You're right. Whoa. You're trying to make me last place. Why? Red. Red means
Okay. Are you ready? Are you ready, guys? Listen, do not spit on that cake. I might not let you blow it out. Ready? Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Cha cha cha. Happy birthday to Julian. Cha cha. Happy birthday to you.
Okay, really? Make a wish.
Vacation and chasing blues away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning, or look like you always be working, soaking the moments you live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, 'cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Take
You gotta ask your mommy.
time out to be and live my life.
You want a pet monkey? You sure?
Taking time out to be and live my life. I'm in a place serene and pure and free. Hey, I ain't worried about what's the wave, only worry about me. Yeah. Oh, I'm taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life.
Jordans, Nikes, Chucks. Alright guys, so we're on our final stop for today. He wanted hibachi for dinner. So we're getting hibachi. We had an adventurous day. Are you tired? He's tired. We're all tired. We had school in the morning. A little bit. Yeah. Alright guys, we just finished dinner. I forgot to record it. We still got a lot of food left. Did you enjoy your birthday? But guys, I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Did you enjoy your pre-birthday birthday? Well, thank you for watching this video. Remember to like and subscribe if you haven't already. Love you guys. Bye.